Like Christmas.
You know what this I got this shit.
Yeah.
Boy, this is my best night.
Best night. You all do something extra.
Old bird is on tonight, boy.
I'm killing him.
Shit, I'm glad I invited my mama to this show. Man, they all had me laughing with this. Mr. Yasman got me with this because yesterday I played some of the New York show for people. I talked about how I played the segment where I fell off stage. So I don't want to show y'all the other material because we might be repeating some of that stuff for some of the other shows. But I felt that one was pretty much solid for New York. And that was exclusive for New York. So when I played that segment, I'll start putting up these memes and pictures up in here. And there's one where Big Bird busted his ass. He kept falling. There it is.
Oh, shit.
Dang.
Shit. At one of them live shows?
Yeah,
That's probably the understudy.
yeah. And it like he cussing somebody out as he leaving too.
It does.
Oh, yeah. You too, shot.
Oh, Yo, what you mean I had too much to drink? I ain't fuck.
Tell me what to do. I know the shit. I know stage direction.
Right off that goddamn stage, you do. Head was wobbling.
Yo, man, where the door at? Oh!
I can see perfectly fine out this cuss shit.
Well, I don't think that's...
Does he bang his head?
Yeah.
Yeah, that big ass head hit the stage. Look at him.
No, kids. Big Bird's all right. He just
he just need more of his medicine.
All right, pick me the up.
Oh, so ain't nobody gonna help me?
This ain't Big Bird talking no more. This is goddamn Fred. Let me out.
Fred. Y'all ain't paying me enough for this shit, goddammit.
I better not see that you laughing.
Yeah. When I get up, there better be nobody laughing. See that get up.
They said that dude is drunk in that costume. Tell me how much I need to drink. Yeah.
What do you mean I'm drunk? I'm not drunk. You're drunk shit.
He was walking away like he just did say, man, you know, I'm done.
Yeah, try doing this show without me. I'm Big Bird, goddamn.
Because the feet are walking fast.
Still got the big ass feet.
Yeah, but he's not walking like he's not in character
Trying to walk
anymore.
backwards.
No,
Yeah.
he's not in character. He's like, man, this shit. I'm going to get that shit off right now.
Well, you know it's in the middle of the show, though.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's in the middle of the show. You know them kids crying.
Well, you know it's middle of the show because the spot's still following. The spotlight's still following him.
So you can see his ass fall clearly. You know those kids crying.
You clearly see him fall.
Big Bird.
Is he dead?
I tell my kid, yeah, you saw him fall. Yeah, that dead. What you think?
Like they said the spot's on him, so they clearly saw him fall.
Shit, if he ain't dead, his pride is.
Yeah.
I know it'd be hilarious. You tell the kid, yeah, Big Bird's drunk.
Yeah. Yeah, you seen Daddy do this before?
Yeah.
Yes, it's not just me. Your hero falls down too.
See, Muppets get up too. Bet you won't watch Sesame Street the next time. Same way, will you?
Now tell your mom to get off my ass.
Shit.
Yeah.
And by the way, Elmo's on cracks.
Yeah. You on that shit.
But I love the way that head just jerked on his phone. You know that dude in that cop's like.
I like how when his foot slips, there's no way he can break his fall with that costume on. So he's just like, I'm going down. That's it.
Oh, no.
That's all let's do it. I hope
Shit, the foot alone.
Yeah.
Probably weighs about 10 pounds.
I'm telling you. He's just got to go down and hope for the best.
Once that 1 foot hovered over nothing but empty space, he was gone.
And anybody who's been on stage has been there.
Yeah.
Couldn't do nothing but hold up a little sign and say, help
That's
me.
it. The only solace that he has in here is that he is in costume because nobody see who he was.
Right.
Because nobody see his face.
And some padding.
Yeah. Shit, I would have played Big Bird up like a motherfucker.
I'm all right. I'm okay.
Try to get back up to the rest of the show, but he really kind of hurt too.
That's what I
My
would
knee hurt like a motherfucker.
Yeah.
That's what I would love. He broke character. It's like when he fell, he's like, and kids like, oh, you know,
you in
kids
trouble.
Like, oh, Big Bird.
Shut up.
That broke character.
Well, see you later.
Oh, somebody got the video version of it. All right.
Yeah.
I want to see this.
Hell yeah.
Who moved the goddamn stage? No.
Which one you motherfuckers on the stage? He was over here yesterday during rehearsal.
Let me see. So this probably has audio.
Oh man, that spotlight is following his ass the whole
hell
way.
yeah.
I'm like, man, fuck you too.
They couldn't just let him slide.
For real.
Let me see here. This is here it is. It was Christmas time too. I don't know. That just makes it worse and funny.
Oh, the bird just slipped on the ice.
Kwanzaa, and do you know another holiday celebrated this time of year? I celebrate Christmas. It's my
Celebrate right off the stage.
I celebrate Christmas. Not the rest of you.
I'm a decent Christian. I celebrate Christmas.
favorite holiday, and it's almost here.
Oh shit! Don't be dancing, man! No. Take easy.
Oh, this just gets funny and funny and more tragic as we go along.
You said he took that first spin.
That's
too
what it
fast.
was.
He got dizzy. Yeah. Well, you better spot. You better
Lost
spot.
his bearings.
Yeah. Boy, no, when they hear that, oh, hell. Oh, that's what it was. His ass was dizzy. He was drunk.
You got a spot, man, when you spin.
And you know they told his ass not to spin in that costume either.
He showed that. He's like, you gonna tell me how to
I
dance.
can do it.
I'm gonna put my own spin on it. Kwanzaa.
They probably put wax on that floor just to trip his ass up. We're gonna show him. Oh shit.
Beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
You know what the I got this shit.
This one. Yeah.
Boy, this is my best night.
Best night. You always do something extra.
Old bird is on tonight, boy.
I'm killing him.
I'm glad I invited my mama to this show.
Take a look at the fine material.
Here we go.
Once again, with candy canes and silver flames aglow. It's beginning to look a lot like
Stop moving.
Oh,
That's cringy.
oh. And he really does like, goddamn, where am I? I think he played it up.
Well, at that point, he's like, let me get my hands back where I can move your mouth again.
Boy, this dude stayed in character the whole time. This Big Bird was like, fuck.
Where am I? Who there? Who there?
What if my eyes got bigger? See my eyes?
The costume looked all
candy canes and silver flames aglow. It's beginning to look a lot.
What happened, yo? Where am I? Hyperventilation.
Oh, this is bad.
He's trying to get himself back. But my thing is like, look, man, don't stop the music and let everybody know. You know what I'm saying? It's on the ground. Yeah. It's the first 3 rows, no. Now the whole goddamn theater.
But he played that shit up. He still. I'm surprised he didn't just start convulsing on the ground.
Hey, man, you know that if you fall, the only way to get people to not laugh is to act like you're hurt.
Yeah.
Like you gotta go to the hospital.
Oh, Big Bird looks sympathetic.
Like he got a concussion.
Anybody?
Yeah. He's shell shocked.
Where am I? Who are you? Well, I'm your mama. You all right, baby? Huh? You who?
Are you twins? What's going on?
They gonna bring in the paramedics. You know what? This is what I love. They brought if you see a goddamn big ass Muppet on a stretcher.
He had like 3 stagehands to get him back up, probably. Because he probably can't get him back up out of this.
Oh, look at this shit. They got a roller there.
All right.
He walking in like an old woman out of there.
Yeah. They trying to walk back on stage. He's like, no, keep going off stage.
Yo.
Walking
You
around.
look like this show, man. Come out.
Don't clap for that.
Shit, what y'all clapping for? This shit is show's done, yo. Go home.
He living it up.
Oh, that's so bad.
I know.
Oh, Big Bird. I ain't never felt so sorry.
Man, you had this shit going. He's like, oh.
Big Bird lipping
time
out
to
of
bring
there.
it home. Ready for this?
And meanwhile on the side, Elmo's like, Elmo had a string.
Check these feet.
Good night, y'all. I'm about to raise the lights.
The curtain just come down.
Yeah, but what made me laugh is that he
He was grooving.
Boy,
he was getting at it.
He
Choreography
put that
was working.
shuffle in there.
Yeah, he put the smooth
Yeah,
in,
yeah,
the
had
slide.
Had a little soft shoe going on. Oh, yeah.
Beginning to look a lot like
You motherfucker this out.
Yeah.
Christmas.
Start doing a robot.
Everywhere.
He's gonna fail the next.
Oh, she getting down, man. Shit, this is the best performance ever.
Look at the light.
Yeah. Now check this out right here. Look, y'all see this shit. Shaq!
Y'all see this shit? Y'all see this? Oh, y'all know what the this for. Oh my God, help me.
Look a lot like Christmas.
Cut the music off, man. I ain't singing no more.
Y'all look at that. Boy, he dazed. Y'all looking at y'all.
Wait, check this shit out.
I got something for y'all. But that was gonna be the big one right
Yeah,
there.
that was I'm telling you, that was a bring it home.
Yeah,
I'm about to bring it home, this motherfucker boy.
Oh shit! Now break it down, yo. Oh my God!
What happened?
Yeah. Look at that. He got back up to it. Oh, the hell! He got little humans going around his head.
Yeah. Y'all catching over that truck? Cut that music off, goddammit.
You look at that.
I know. You look at your little ass down.
Fuck you looking at.
Sit your little ass down.
Talking to an 8-year-old right now. Which mean I'm all right. You all right?
Yeah, you can't help me, man. Get out of here. Call somebody, give me something. What you gonna do?
Silly ass.
He forgot to move or something. Don't go down stage. What, you mean this way?
Oh, boy, they cut that show off.
Yep, that was it.
I mean, what else can you do?
Yeah, I mean, you know.
That is true, man. Shit, nothing else could be done.
Because it's
It's probably, the next scene, they got to strike the set.
That is true.
The next scene.
Boy, they escorted his ass out. I love it. He walked out with a pimp lip and everything. You serious? Oh, it'd be funny if he busted his head on that.
I know.
God damn it! Whoa.
This ain't my night, man. This ain't my night.
I can't stand this country ass town.
Yeah. Told you I would have played this venue anyway.
You gonna podunk ass theaters. You see what happened when we played this fucked up ass theaters? Oh, man.
Oh, well, Big Bird, he recovered, man. He's all right. Shit, that bird got more money than all of us.
Yeah, he does. But you know what? God,
Maybe not.
Maybe not.
But I just tell you that God, I'm glad we saw that.
Somebody said Oscar somewhere laughing his ass off.
I know he is.
You know they go back to Sesame Street.
Heard you had a good night. Heard you brought it home. Hey, Bird.
Hey, Bird, break a leg.
Maybe you was too good for this shit.
Show me the moves you got, man.
This is me being sensitive.
I mean, this is you, right?
No. Throw that shit on the track.
Do the right thing.
Oh, yeah.
No, Big Bird just fucking with you, man, now.
Oh, the Mr. Something, what's his name? Mr. Something store, that old man store. Come through the window.
Oh, Mr.
Hooper store.
All right, y'all. Way to start the show, y'all. Yeah, old Big Bird, old soft shoe.
Man, he had it going too. Bro.
Yep.
Oh, bring it home, Bird.
Getting ready for the big finish.
Yeah, you had a big finish.
Big finish. They thought I was going to forget the choreography. I'll show them.
Man, thank you for whoever shared that video.
For real.
Oh, that was a great one. So,
Check this shit out.